In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your SignNow account. Whether you found that you no longer need the service or you're simply looking to tidy up your list of active subscriptions, canceling your SignNow account is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each step. Let's start by heading over to your SignNow dashboard. Once you've logged in, keep an eye out for the gear icon, which you'll find in the lower left corner of your screen. This icon is your gateway to the Account Settings menu, where you'll complete the account cancellation process. After clicking on the gear icon, you'll be directed to the Account Settings page. This section contains various options allowing you to customize and manage your account. Here, you'll need to focus on finding the Additional Settings option. It's usually listed among a selection of other account management tools, so it may take a moment to locate it. Once you've spotted Additional Settings, look for a hyperlink that reads, "Delete your account." Clicking this will initiate the process for you to permanently remove your account from SignNow. It might sound straightforward, but it's important to proceed with caution here. This action is irreversible, so make sure you've backed up any important documents or information you might still need. Now, upon clicking "Delete your account," you'll be prompted to enter your current password. This is a critical step to verify your identity and ensure that unauthorized users aren't able to delete your account without your permission. Besides, it's also a good time to reconsider your decision because once you confirm, there's no turning back. After you've entered your password, you'll see an option to click on Delete Account. This is your final confirmation step. If you're absolutely sure about your decision and have already made up your mind, go ahead and click this button. The system will then process your request. It's worth mentioning that once your account is deleted, you won't be able to retrieve any of your files or data. Everything associated with your account, including its history, will be permanently erased. Therefore, ensure you've downloaded all necessary documents beforehand, and that's all there is to it. Canceling your SignNow account doesn't have to be a hassle if you follow these steps carefully. If you have any further questions or experience any issues, it might be worth reaching out to SignNow's support for assistance. They can provide you with any additional information you might need around closing your account. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more useful tips. Have a fantastic day.